I use a tool called MyFitnessPal, okay? And MyFitnessPal, reduce these other things, get them out of the way. So MyFitnessPal, you can see I'm going to go into my diary, and it logs my calories for the day. My goal is 1,500. It took a while to get here, guys, so you're not going to get there overnight, but I just encourage you to download it, start playing with it. It's very, very easy to put things in. But I set up my goals. It knows the macros where I want to be. I can click on this, and it's going to tell me, my goal for protein is 47% of what I eat. 44%, my goal is 44 today. If I hit the meals that I've got in there, I'll be 47% protein, 37% fat, 16% carbs. That's a great breakdown if I do end up there. I'm over on my calories, so that's okay. 1,500 is really, really low, and that's okay with me. But I'm also looking here, I will end up at 204 grams of protein, which is extremely good for muscle growth and what I'm trying to accomplish. It puts me 38 grams over the goal on protein. That's okay. A little bit over on my fat and right where I want to be on my carbs. So this is a tool. I can't do this without having a tool available like this. Now, I put in my breakfast already. I put in my lunch, which I haven't eaten. I may take this ground turkey off because it's putting my calories too high. And if I do, I'm right in the zone, and I still will end up at the right amount of protein, the right amount of fat, and the right amount of carbs, like a perfect day. If I just took a little bit of that ground turkey off. It has not registered my exercise for whatever reason we haven't synced today, but I just want you all to see how important it is again, I plan out my day in the morning with food. I'm very intentional about what I'm going to eat, my calorie intake, my macro intake. This is very, very important. And I happen to be at a place in my health walk where it's important to me because, and I don't want to go too deep into this, but I don't mind being transparent. My goal right now is 15% body fat. I'm currently at the lowest body fat and the lowest weight that I've been as an adult. I'm at 17% body fat. I'm at 153.5 pounds. My goal is 150 and 15, and we'll see if we get there. With both of those matching. And I'm sharing with you how I got there. One of them is major being intentional. I think that's very, very important. A calorie deficit, supplements, paying attention to macros, no sugar, and using, knowing some information, what my total daily energy expenditure is. That's going to be very, very important for anybody that is trying to lose weight. And then using ChatGPT, as you can see down here under my personal trainer. I have personal trainer. It's not a project, but it is one of my selections down here. And as my personal trainer, I can take screenshots of my scale, screenshots of what I just shared with you on MyFitnessPal, screenshots of what my health app is, and I upload those. I'm going to show you up here. I upload, like, these photos are not coming up yet, but they will. And I tell it how much water I drank. I upload the photos, and it says it gives me feedback of how I'm doing in my journey. And it just keeps me on track. It also encourages me and gives me attaboys and tells me when I'm not on track. And so just kind of, again, very, very intentional, very intentional.